Hello everyone! I'm very happy to be back with a very special card. Today is World Leukemia Day, and my friend Claudia, whose daughter Gaia is fighting leukemia, has organized an Instagram hop featuring many talented designers, and this hop has lots of sponsors as well. You can check the description box below to find all the details about it. So for this card, I used the Partly Cloudy die by Hello Bluebird, the Friend die from Hello Friend Words by Hello Bluebird, the Small Heart dies from Rainbow Sky by Hello Bluebird again, a Stitched Rectangle Frame die by Lonfon, Rain or Shine Before and Afters by Lonfon for my sentiment, and a paper from the Really Rainbow 6x6 paper pack by Lonfon. I cut a 5.5 by 4.25 inches rainbow panel, a cloud panel out of white cardstock, and I kept a few clouds, a white frame, and to create dimension, I also cut 2 frames out of a white foam sheet. I started by applying liquid glue on the front of the cloud panel, right on the 4 edges, and then I stuck the white frame on top. I did this because the edges of the cloud panel were too thin and I needed larger edges to be able to add dimension using foam. Next, I attached my panel to a piece of clear acetate. I applied liquid glue at the back of the panel right on the 4 edges, and I stuck the panel on this acetate sheet. I trimmed off the excess and attached a few clouds. So today, September 4th, is World Leukemia Day. It's a global campaign led in collaboration by patient groups around the world to help raise awareness about leukemia. By increasing leukemia awareness and educating the world about the signs and symptoms, it helps patients to receive diagnosis and provide better outcomes for them. Like I said at the beginning, Claudia's daughter Gaia is fighting her battle against a rare form of leukemia that affects 7 out of a million people. But thanks to science and research, Gaia and thousands of other children and patients can be treated and see their future with hope. During this very dark and difficult time, creativity has helped Claudia stay strong for her little girl. She found strength and hope in the crafty community, so this is why today we join her to support her and her sweet Gaia. And I hope that you will do the same, support her and throw kindness like confetti. Under the video you will find links to all the amazing designers that are taking part in this hop. So once the clouds were attached, I flipped the panel over and stuck a foam frame using liquid glue. I will trim the excess of foam on the edges. The most important was that the foam was not showing on the inside edges. I used a large acrylic block to press onto the foam, and then I attached the second foam frame. Gluing 2 layers of foam brings lots of dimension and gives more room for the sequins to move. Next, I applied a thin and strong double-sided sticky tape on the 4 edges of the rainbow panel. I peeled the backing papers off, and inside the cloud panel, I added 3 spoons of clear sequins. I flipped the rainbow panel over and stuck it at the back of the cloud panel to totally complete and close the shaker. I did some work off screen. I cut the word friend several times, 1 time out of gold mirror cardstock and 3 times out of white cardstock, and I glued those 4 elements on top of each other. I also stamped my sentiment on white cardstock and trimmed it into 2 small banners, and I cut some hearts to make the dot above the letter I. And I attached those pieces on my cloud panel using foam squares and liquid glue. And to be able to pick up the small hearts, I used my quick stick tool. Finally, I glued a few clear droplets here and there, and I attached my panel on a white card base. And that's it, the card is done. It's a little bit different than what you are used to on my channel, but I hope that you like it. Don't forget to check the description box to get all the details about this hop and to check the other designers' projects. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!